Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's session. In today's session, we're going to go over a few currency pairs I have on my watch list and see what potential trading opportunities we have for this coming week. Obviously, we're going to be using the pure price action strategy to break down the markets and see how we go from there. Obviously, we're going to start with JPYX. Now, it's been ranging for the whole week. As you can see, it hasn't really broken above this range. And what we were anticipating to see is for prices to break above, and then so that we can take buys, or to break below so that we can take sells. And neither of that happened. So obviously for the coming week, we are going to still anticipate or wait for prices to break either bullish or bearish before we actually take any trades. So for JPYX, I'm really still just watching the pairs as it ranges, as it consolidates. I'm still going to wait and see how it plays out. So that's that for JPYX. Really nothing much to talk about. We just have to be patient. As you know, with trading, it's always about patience, patience, patience. And then once the opportunity presents itself, that's when you strike. So for the JPYX pairs, I'm really not going to go into them because we're still just watching and waiting. So we move on to DXY, the US dollar currency pair. So prices were actually very bullish for a while. So right now prices, we can see they have created a bearish engulfing candlestick as of Friday on a significant market structure and a Fibonacci key level. So this indicates that prices have a high possibility to keep on being bearish and push lower. So we are going to be focusing on DXY for this coming week and looking for potential trading opportunities for us to go short on DXY. So if we go into the 4 hours, obviously we can see prices have just begun pushing. Now they just broke below this low, and should prices also, they have also broken below this trend line. Now should prices keep on pushing lower, this is what we're looking for. As prices have already started creating this bearish trend, we'll be looking for a lower high for us to take trades in, because you can't jump on a trend that's already extended. You have to wait for the retracement, and then after the retracement, that's when you jump in. Now obviously once we jump in, the first targets will be somewhere here, and then after that we'll be also looking for prices to hit these second targets. As the bearish trend has just begun, we'll just keep on selling and holding. Now DXY, that's what we're anticipating to see prices become bearish for this coming week. We just want to see prices create a lower high so that we can get the best entry prices as we can. Now, how will that be impacting, for instance, other pairs like Euro USD? We can see prices have reached this rejection area and prices have started being bullish. Now, if we look at it from the daily, you can see prices are rejecting from here. And if you pull back out here, you can see it was a significant structure. As prices here were rejected, prices tried to show some kind of rejections on all these prices. And now prices are now starting to be bullish. So obviously we'll be looking for buys from here until we hit our first targets somewhere here. And mind you guys, this is the daily. So obviously it's a lot of pips in play, 140 some pips in play. So we are going to be looking for that entry price. We do also have GU. As you can see with GU, last week prices closed with a doji on a significant market structure. So obviously this indicates rejection. So we'll just be looking for prices to be bullish, obviously, until somewhere here before we see that kind of continuation, as it will have created some kind of a head and shoulders pattern. So that's my view on GU, and let's see how it plays out. We do have gold. Gold, since last week, I've been telling you guys it's bullish, bullish, bullish. we are waiting for prices to actually reach this height as our targets at 2750. We did have an impulsive move, a correction, and then I was like, okay, we need another impulsive move for prices to hit 2750. On the 4 hours, we did have some kind of a break and retest. As you can see here, prices pumped, retraced to this key level or structure, and now prices are actually continued pumping higher. So obviously, prices did play out how we really anticipated them. It's just that we don't trade gold, just analyze it for the sake of y'all, and that's that, and that's how it played out. So obviously, I do still anticipate to see gold keep on pumping higher until it reaches 2750, and then based on the momentum, once it reaches there, we'll actually determine where it actually keeps on heading next. So that's that, guys. For the next coming week, as you know, we'll be focusing on the DXY pairs. So for those that are not in the Telegram group, be sure to join in the Telegram group so that you won't miss out on the content that we'll be posting on the lower time frames. Till next time, guys. Appreciate you all. Take it easy out there.